Welcome to AutoAiDude, the channel where AI meets real results. If you've been thinking about starting an AI-powered YouTube channel, but you're not sure where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the fastest and easiest way to launch your own AI YouTube channel, even if you're starting from zero. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so first things first. What actually is an AI YouTube channel? It's simple. It's a channel where AI helps you create content. Not every part, but enough to save hours every single week. There are three main types. Number one, AI enhanced. You come up with the ideas, and AI helps with scripts, visuals, or editing. Number two, fully AI generated. No camera, no face, everything made with AI tools. Number three, hybrid. Your ideas plus your voice plus AI working behind the scenes. Don't overthink this. Just pick the style that feels easiest for you. Step 1. Choosing your niche. Before you create anything, you need a niche. And no, this does not lock you in forever. A good niche meets two conditions. 1. People already search for it. 2. You can make endless videos about it. Great niches for AI channels include AI tools, money and finance, productivity, motivation, business, tutorials, tech news, and story-based content. Quick test. If you can think of 50 video ideas in that niche, it's a good one. Step 2. Best video formats to start with. Now, let's talk video formats. These perform insanely well. Format 1. Tutorials. Clear, useful, always in demand. Format 2. Tool breakdowns. Great for engagement and affiliate earnings. Format 3. Top lists. High click-through rate, easy to make. Format 4. Simple explanations. Format 5. Short stories. Perfect for faceless channels. Pick one or two and stick with them early on. Step 3. The only tools you will actually need. Don't overcomplicate this. You only need 4 things. First, a tool to generate scripts. Second, a tool to create visuals. Third, a voice, AI or your own. Fourth, a basic editor to polish everything. That's it, seriously. Step 4. Creating your first video. Here's the simplest way to create your first video. Step 1. Pick a simple topic, like 3 AI tools that save time. Step 2. Generate a clean script. Step 3. Create minimal visuals. Step 4. Add your narration. Step 5. Polish and export. Your first video won't be perfect, and it doesn't need to be. Your 10th video will be better. Your 20th? That's where growth starts. Step 5. Growing without burning out. YouTube growth is not magic, it's consistency. Here are the habits that matter. Upload consistently, 1 to 3 times a week. Watch your analytics. Make more of what people like. Improve one thing per video. Your hook, pacing, or visuals. Batch your content. Make multiple videos in one session. Jump on trends early. New AI tools, updates, news, massive growth opportunities. Put in the reps and you will grow. Starting an AI YouTube channel has never been easier. And yes, you are still early. Use AI for the heavy lifting. Use your creativity for everything else. If you want a deeper, advanced guide, or you want me to break down the tools I personally use, just tell me in the comments and I'll make part 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.